Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Ethernet not working, so you can restore your wired internet connection quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, right-click the Start button on your taskbar and select Device Manager from the menu. Device Manager is a built-in Windows tool that allows you to manage and troubleshoot all hardware devices connected to your computer. This is where you can check if your Ethernet adapter is working properly. Step 2. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the Network Adapters section. This category lists all network devices installed on your system, including Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. Expanding it helps you locate the exact Ethernet controller causing the issue. Step 3. Right-click your Ethernet controller, which is often named Realtek PCIe, GBE, or Intel Ethernet connection. This option opens a menu where you can manage, update, or uninstall the driver. Selecting the correct adapter is important to avoid changing the wrong device. Step 4. Click on Uninstall Device and make sure you do not check the box that says Delete the driver software. Uninstalling removes the current driver configuration, which can fix corrupted or malfunctioning driver issues. Keeping the driver software ensures Windows can reinstall it automatically. Step 5. Restart your PC to allow Windows to automatically detect the Ethernet hardware and reinstall a fresh copy of the driver. Once your computer boots up, check your internet connection to see if the Ethernet is working again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.